Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing an LOL Surprise Under Rats. And I think this is Pop Heart. Yeah, that's her name, Pop Heart. And you get 15 surprises. Remember on the last one how we had seven surprises? But now it's 15 surprises. That's much more than the other one. So I'm just going to be opening this because I'm just so excited what it's going to be. So, yeah. I'm just going to try to take all this off. Mom, can I have some help?
Yes, ma'am.
My mom is the best mom ever.
Oh, I love you.
Love you too. And today, I got a new cupcake JoJo bowl my mom got me. And here's a new bowl that I got from yesterday. It's rainbow and it has all kinds of stuff on it. And I love it. And today is Friday. Tomorrow is going to be Burger Saturday.
Do you want me to get the bow and so you can show them the bow that I found today?
Yeah. I'm going to be opening the rest of it while you're doing that. And we also have, I can see it. I can see the ball and it's hot pink.
So I found...
Wait, Mama, let me show you this
Okay.
first. This is what we have next. Okay, go ahead and show
I
me.
found this JoJo bow and it's
Cupcake scented.
cupcake scented.
Well, it smells like the unicorn cupcake.
It is pretty
things.
cool. And then I found Teacher's Pet.
Bun.
We found that at a store called Shoe Show
Mega. It used to be just Shoe Show, but to make it better, now it has better stuff than it used to have. That's why they called it Mega. Okay. Wait, let me get all this wrapper off first, and I'll tell you what it says. Okay. This is... Okay.
Let me see.
It's pointing up, and it's a mountain.
What does it say? Let me
On top of a mountain, I think. On top of a mountain.
see. Let me see.
Does it say that?
It does say that.
On top of a mountain. So it's on top of a mountain. Oh, okay. Does it mean it's that brown girl that we got before? With the buns?
Oh, that pretty one? I don't know.
The hot pink ball. And plus, it's gold on the sides of it. But that still doesn't mean
Do you
it's
have the
gold.
list yet?
No. Remember, you gotta wait for that.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm sorry.
Here it
I'm trying to be
is.
patient. Yay! No, this is just the codes.
What list are you talking about?
The
It's
list.
in this
Oh, okay.
part. And
Well, if we get a duplicate, that's okay. We love all our
Mama.
LOL dolls.
Mama, what does all this mean?
So what?
It says
it's in,
like-
it's in Chinese.
Chinese?
Yeah.
I wish it was regular so I could actually
Well, they do.
read it.
It's instructions. It has all different kind of languages, so different people from all over the world can read the instructions because
Oh.
LOL dolls are everywhere.
Well, not everywhere, some places. Okay, I'm gonna open this, the bottom, Mama, did you open the bottom
Yeah.
compartment first?
Okay, I'm
No,
gonna give
that
you
ain't
the
the bottom
code.
part.
I'm gonna give you a code to try. Let's try fire and ice.
Fire and ice.
Yeah.
So the
Am
fire.
I lucky? You think I'm lucky enough? Let's see. Oh, no. Okay, try the candy and the lemon. Or what was it, like sweet and sour?
Yeah, sweet and sour.
Okay, try that code.
Sweet. Sour. No!
Okay, try the crown and the diamond. Got it. I should have went with that first.
That was I was thinking first. I was like, huh, should we try Crown and Diamond? And she was like, nah. And in my brain, I was just like, oh, is it Crown and Diamond? I was like, I'm not sure.
Should have went with my gut.
Yeah.
Let me help you?
This is hard.
These are tougher to open than the other ones. Ah! There we go. I don't remember that.
We are not having a duplicate.
I don't think so, because I don't remember that. I don't think I've ever seen one of those before.
Can you show the camera?
I sure can.
Because I can't reach that far.
Oh, yes, you can. You just like for Mama to do it. Look how pretty.
It looks that looks like Bonbon's out
Looks
skirt.
like Dorothy colors to me, like off the Wizard of Oz.
Yeah.
I love Dorothy.
But that looks like Bonbon's outfit, kind of. Well, it's a different color, but it's like the bows. And also Neon Cutie.
Okay.
So, okay, so what should we do? Which one should I do now?
Oh, okay. I'm the code lady. Okay, let's see. Let's do Fire and Ice because I'm really excited about that one.
Why are you so excited about that one? You should be happy with Crown and Diamond.
I like it. Oh yeah, that one's pretty too. All right, let's see if I'm lucky. No. Okay. Do Sweet and Sour on that one again.
I'm sure it's peace and love, but okay.
Just try it.
Fine. Oh.
I got it.
My favorite's peace and love, and don't tell anybody. I mean, okay, guys, you gotta keep this a secret, but I think I like peace and love better because JoJo always says peace, and I think it's pretty cool to say that too.
Oh, is this the bottle?
Ooh. That's crazy. That's a cool color. Red and blue. Oh, I get it. Red and blue. Oh, Alabama has 1 point. Auburn has 1 point.
Oh, Lord. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Okay, let's do this one. Oh,
Let's
no.
do Peace and Love. You like the Peace and Love. Let's do the Peace and Love on that one. Is that the one you already done?
No. This is
do Rain and Shine on that one then.
It worked.
Looky there. I'm just so good at this.
Whoa! For the clothes, you barely even got it right.
I know.
You should have went to the
I should have
Canada.
stuck with my gut. You're right. Let me help you. Those are harder.
Why do they make it so tough?
I don't know. I'm going to use scissors.
Oh, I get it. I don't know why they make it so tough.
These shoes are amazing.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Alright. Does this mean it's...
These are my favorite shoes, I think, out of all the shoes we have for LOL dolls. You see how sparkly they are? Oh, they're just so pretty.
Okay. Now the last one is Peace and Love. We're going to try that one.
You gonna try that one? Because we hadn't got that one yet, right?
Yeah. It worked. I told you.
Right. Oh, let me show them this before. Look, so this is tricking us. It's not this LOL. What is this thing? Like a sheep? Oh, she looks weird. I don't think we have this.
I think it's a goat because of the ears.
Oh, a goat?
I'm gonna look at the accessory.
See, this tricks us because watch this.
This
Are you ready?
accessory is just like BB Box.
Oh yeah. See, that's the accessory.
Like just like
Alright.
BB Box. Can I?
Yeah. Yes, take it off. Take it off. Hurry. I want to see. Her head came off.
That's inappropriate, you know. Ah! There's a goat.
That is so crazy. But we keep these. We've seen other people that tear them. Like you can tear them and look. What? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Let me see.
Oh, red popped off again. Well, it's just
But
like
we try to be careful taking these off because we play a game where we keep these and we put other LOLs in there and we try to guess who's
Look at the
hidden
cute
inside.
socks.
Wait, can you put her body back on? Lord bless her. There we go. There we go. Now she's pretty.
And She kind of reminds me
Look,
of
she has
Unicorn.
hearts on her cheeks.
I know. Well, the pig.
Love
Don't
her.
the pigtails remind me of somebody?
Who's that remind me of?
Unicorn.
That's
Unicorn's
right.
pigtails.
Hello. Put her outfit on so we can see her.
Oh yeah. Cause okay, there's the inappropriate part.
Oh, you better watch it.
So funny.
See, look how cool these are. You just. Brum, 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 brum. Ah.
The goat lost her head.
Oh, here's my favorite part. The list.
Okay,
While
okay.
you're putting the
How
headphones
about,
on, I'll show you the list.
I know a game that we can play, and it's guess the LOL. So you have to guess. You have to look at the list and guess what her name is, and then I have to try to guess what her name is if I'm right or not.
Okay. Well,
Don't
I'm
tell
showing.
me.
Okay, I'm showing the camera right now. Hold on, let me let it focus. Let me see. Oh, man. Don't you be cheating over there. Hillary's trying to cheat. Okay, I'm showing the camera what it is. What do you think it is? Yeah, you better get back. What do you think it is? I'm showing everybody.
Cute pajamas, cutie.
Hold on, let me see. Let me
Pajamas
focus.
cutie.
It's not focusing good.
Pajamas, cutie. Is it pajamas, cutie?
Hold on, let me let my camera focus.
Pajamas, cutie.
No, it is not pajamas cutie.
PJ's cutie.
No, you're close. Where does Dorothy? Because remember how I said I love Dorothy? How she looked like Dorothy? Where is Dorothy from? Remember? You remember? Where did Dorothy say she was from?
She was.
Oh gosh, where did she say? Kansas. Her name
Kansas
is
Cutie.
Yes. Kansas Cutie, and we do not have her.
And there's those sparkly shoes. I'm gonna put on the rest of her stuff, and then I'm gonna show you. And then my mom will show you guys. I like when you show the camera because it's more.
You like when I do it? Okay.
Focus more. Okay. There she is. Careful with the bottle because it will slip off.
Okay.
Kansas
Look how
Cutie.
beautiful she is, and she looks like Dorothy. They should have made her slippers red. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. So cute. All right, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to this video.
And also get some goats for some friends because, well, you know, I need some friends. My head popped off. Bye.